color confidence seems to be the biggest challenge for most of the crafters I talk to. Learning new techniques by video tutorials seems to be relatively easy by comparison. You follow along, you try it yourself, and eventually you get the hang of the new stitch or cast on, cast off, etc. But color's different. It's a constant game of, will these colors work and do I like them? And the new filter that we've created on our website makes that process a whole lot easier and so much more fun. And in my experience, both of those things make all the difference. Firstly, feeling like it's a fun and playful experience rather than I'm going to screw it up and this is a nightmare and I'm no good at color. And secondly, trying out different things until you find something you like in a way that's really easy for you to swap things in and out, and to see the colors so that you can decide what you do and don't like. So today I am going to take you through a very simple 3-step process of figuring out colors or playing with colors on our website using our new filter. And we're going to do that using the Brioche Hearts Shawl project as an example. The design is by Anna Muskatina, and this project was knit for us by Nicola Cowley in our Merino Linen yarn. So let's get started. So to get started with the filter, you'll want to go to the yarn page in the shop. So just click on View All. And when you do that, you will see the whole filter range showing on the left-hand side. For the purposes of today's video, I am going to use Merino Linen, and we're going to look at a multicolor and how to choose some solid colors to go with it. So step number 1, choose your yarn base and select both the multis and the solids if you want to have both of those options show up in your filtered selection. That's step 1, choose your yarn base. Step 2, use the drop down so that you can see all of the different multicolor options. And I am going to choose Tina Turner, but obviously you could pick any multicolor that you wanted to look at, or a couple of them. It'll make things easy for you if you hide the multicolor drop down menu, and then you can select solid colors. So let's say I decide to start with African Violet and Cobalt as possible solid color options to go with my Tina Turner multicolor. And say you look at those and think, you're not so sure about the Cobalt, but maybe you'd like to try mustard. Well, as step 1, you could just add mustard into your selection. And then you can take the Cobalt out to have a look and see how does that combination work. And maybe at this point you're wondering, was Tina Turner the right choice? So here you could go back to the multicolors and you could add in Carly Simon and see if perhaps that's a better combination for the ones you've chosen here. And if you think, no, Tina Turner was the right choice, take Carly Simon out of the mix and come back and have a look. And perhaps actually Orchid Blush would be a better option than mustard. And that might give you a nice color palette that you're happy with. And you could then use a screenshot to save that option. And you can click on each individual product and go through and add them to your cart directly. What you can also do is download our Cowgirl Blues Colors booklet, which is a PDF document that you can keep on your computer, and that has all of the colors, and it's also got a range of projects that you can get lots of ideas for things to make, and easy reference to all of the different colors. And if at any point you decide that you want to just start from the beginning again, then just select clear filter over here. It will delete all of your previous selections and you can go back to the beginning and start all over again. Really nice and easy, and a great way to play around and see what different colors look like and how they all work together. And I hope you'll have fun playing around with it and coming up with lots of gorgeous color palettes.